This is part 2, guys, and I'm gonna show you around in my mansion. Forgot to grab my total I'm dying. Okay. I'm good. Okay. First, look on here. This is the gym.
I know.
Okay.
First, take off it.
Okay, you cannot really go on here. Just the design.
Take off my alarm.
Okay, and this is the pool. This is curse. This is my mansion. Okay. This is looking good. And I'm gonna show you next is this. This is no mods. For real, this is no mods. This is a couch and look, a statue. Look at that big boy. And this is the balcony. Oh shit, if I drop in there, I will be a total of god. Oh, I'm not will be a goner because I have a total of dying. I have many of these. Good thing. Okay, this is the next one, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, we're gonna go down next. I mean, not next. Maybe later. Okay, guys. Need to go fast. Go here. See? So cool. A drum set. And this is the one you will want. See? Just unique. And this is a second balcony. There is an aquarium. This is another balcony. This is so cool, guys. And this is my yard. I have a helicopter. I'm rich. Okay. You're asking, guys, why my video is so short. Because, and let's go here. On the bottom we go. Okay, this is so cool, guys, right? A sink. Okay, this, I have all the thing I need, and I have a swimming pool too. A fire. I think this is hurt, bro. This is a scope. A scope. How can I use this? Okay, this is the balcony. If I fall, total goner. Okay, we need to look up here. This is a camp. I know if you stand on there, you're gonna burn because, you know. And this is, oh, I'll show you guys this. Oh, just like, oh, I'm done logging. It covers up with a Facebook logo. Okay, this is so cool to visit around. And I'm gonna tell you guys, you'll be shocked. I didn't build this. You're asking why? AI build this. You don't know? AI build this. Oh, wait. I know that before. Not that you know that on the... No. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. A high swimming pool. Oh yeah, baby. Even higher swimming pool. Oh sheesh. This is so cool. It's over there. Go. I gotta go check it out, bro. I'm drowning, okay. Oh shit. It didn't give me fall damage. Okay, I think I'm gonna get some fall damage here. But I don't taste that. Because this is totally a mansion. like guys if you want this. A little aquarium. Go up and up. This is so cool, guys. Like and subscribe. Only rich people live in here. Even a painting. We need to go up. Here we didn't check it here. A huge burger. So yum burger. Okay.
And next, guys, finally we come back. And
Okay, this is another balcony through a swimming pool.
Oh, 100.
Okay. Ooh. What's this? Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow, ow. Wait.
Guys,
What is in here? If I reach 100 subscribers, I will go in there part 3. Bye bye, guys.